Hey guys, it's Jaden from Jaden World, and here is a Halo character. You might know him, I don't know him. I don't play Halo. And we're gonna do a video on him. First up, start with the head. Yeah, his head looks pretty darn good. You got that metallic blue, you got that dark color right there, and you also got that green with blue shading, the yellow on the head, and yeah, he has this part, and yeah, he has blue. That's nice. If you look very closely, you might see hexagons. I don't know if the camera gonna catch that, but it has hexagons on the gray part. And yeah, the legs are just plain gray, some green on them, with holes. And the back, you got gray with some blue right there. You got the halo butt. And yeah, that articulation is really good. I would say he can move his head up that far. You can move it down. You can do this, do that. Boom. What? You can bend his elbow, double jointed elbow, that and that. I like how they exposed the elbow. How they did not expose the elbow. I mean, he gets not so good ab crunch, man. They could have done better. Like an example, him. This man can do Jesus Christ. Broke so bad. Well, him, you could just what is that? He's a Halo character. What happened if people just come behind him? Alright? He could kick that. He can't go back because of this. He could do this full split. He could do a full split. Nah, not hitting. It's not hitting. It's not hitting. It's disappointing. He could do this. He could just. He have a single jointed knee, and that he could do this. Not so good of a. He could do an ankle pivot. Plus, he could do that. Wait, alright. Now he has. Now let's go look at the accessories. He got this thing. Olives? Tell me, what is this? This quality is not good. As you can see, scrape, not good paint. I like that blow dry though, but it's not good. They didn't even try. I mean, look at it. It's already scraping. And I did not do this. Came out of the box like that, guys. And I ain't warning you. Came out of the box like that. Disappointing. Guys, right now, I'm just gonna move over stuff right now. And yeah, you get an extra bag for peg just in case you break it. See it? Yeah. And you get armor. Here's the I can't tell you. Here is it. It's very nice. Here is this piece. This is very nice too. All of them are the same color except for these. Alright. Let's get. Oh yeah, the guns. I have to show you those. One of the guns, just plastic. This is my favorite one. Wow. They probably spend days doing this, man. As you can see, it's glittery. It has like white on it with specks of white with like glittery stuff. The camera probably can't catch that. Silver, some red, and you got this the trigger. And yeah, let's go get back. Let's go. Oh yeah, in the body, I have to show this. In the camera, this is detail made out of rubber, and this to get it on the head. I can do it on the camera. See, and that. See, got that done. That's nice, right? Alrighty. So the first thing I'm gonna do is the feet, the fun part. You're probably wondering how I'm gonna get this feet on, how I'm gonna get this shoe on. It's simple, easy. But before we do that, size comparison, guys. You thought I forgot about it, huh? This guy can actually stand quite very well actually by himself compared to all the other ones. Yeah, I just got back from football practice. And as you can see, this man is short. This man is short. Like, seriously, look. Him to him. Which one? Which one you like better? You see the difference? And I'm holding him at fairly amount of same size. Look. Look, see? He's shorter than him. These two are the same size. Boom. And yeah. He comes with a backstrap that I ripped. It's a reactor, and I ripped it. But who even cares? I could probably use it for something else. Or maybe something more. Alright. Let's go get this one. So what you want to do is do not do... Hold on, guys. I hope you guys are still watching. Oh shoot. Guys, I have to do something real quick. Forgot the instructions. Guys, I'm back. Just had to get the instructions. I hope y'all guys are still on. Can't forget the instructions. See? Can't forget the instructions, guys. Can't forget the instructions, as you can see. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm gonna need something. Alright. So the first thing is the shoe. See? They wanted the foot. And you do not rip this apart. That's how it goes. And then you just wanna wrestle it on. No, screw this. That was the wrong foot. If you get on the right foot, we're going fairly easy. This foot, same thing. You just, oh shoot. Oh, I'm just gonna do this off camera. Ooh. Alrighty. Then you see this piece right here? See this piece? You put the girl, never mind. Put that right there, you see? See, same thing at the first, on camera. So don't know off camera. Boom. And the fairly amount. Boom, you see? You see? And then you how about I get a lot of views? Cause I haven't done YouTube in a long time. Alright, then you take this knee pad, if y'all guys ever noticed. Nice detail. Yeah, I know you got tired of me. But you can't be mad at me. Really. You guys can't really be mad. This is not a toy. This is more of a display figure. If you're gonna view, if you don't like this video, you can link off. You could check my other channels. Yeah, but yeah. Alrighty, see this. This could post into this. Something as first off camera, because this is very hard to get on. I don't know what. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's hard to get on. Oh, at least it's gonna work. Alrighty, and now for the butt piece right here. Go back to his halo butt. See this port? See this port right here? You want to take this and then pour it right here. You can see? Right here. This right here. Then you take this. Why? What is this? What? You guys probably don't know. What? You guys probably don't know. You know how these have little stems? This is cut down some. Who does that, guys? Oh, great. Oh, Jesus Christ. Shout out to Corey Execution. And, oh, yeah, I forgot the rest of y'all. Sorry. What happens? And then I'm going to tap this in right here. And then you want to tap this in. No, actually, no, don't. Just don't. I'm a bad YouTuber. Alright, take this. Remember this? Take that. Take that. Oh, jeez, you gotta wrestle your way in. He's fighting me. Alrighty. I'm gonna lift the arms up. Oh, this is fairly gonna hurt. You gotta buckle him in to the seatbelt. You might know how babyish that is. Why? This arm is getting in the way for everything. Why? Ow. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take it to the mall. I'm not destroying. I think that's first. Ow! Already did something. Guys, it's too hard. I have to do it off camera. Sorry. And, yeah. So no. No, it's good. I'm gonna do it. Alrighty. By the way, do the same thing. And then, take this up there. Make sure. Oh my Jesus, living mother, mother of bananas. this thing will not stick. Go! Good. Alrighty. It's sticking now. Because I'm intimidating. Alrighty. Take this. Bingo. My problem with the hands is that when you put this on, it doesn't want to go in. It's like wrestling your way in. Wrestling. No. Alright, I'm gonna fight this one then. And then it might go in, it might not go in. You see, it doesn't go any further but this. For this one. Yeah. That does not go in out. The hand does not go in nowhere. Rip it open. The thing at first. That's a problem. That's a big problem. It's bigger than me. It's a big problem, man. It's a big problem in here. Yeah, I know my singer sucks. Why listen to a song when you could listen to Drake? Am I right? Am I right, guys? Alrighty, guys. See? Alrighty. Here's my problem. If he can't fit in, what makes you think Jimmy over here can fit by the end? Oh my god. Yeah, guys, I know how the universe was created. No, nobody must hear that crap. 3,000 likes and I'll tell you. Deal? You heard a yes. And we're done. We're done. Jesus Christ. What the heck? That was hard. Alright. So, yeah. If you guys think that his size actually really is gonna do anything, think again, buddy. He's still tiny. You might know the key to that. Because when you put it in, hold on quick. Boom. Take that. You see? It's the same thing, but you just place a foot over top of it. Well, that's kind of unreal. Because when you put shoes on, you get more tall, but at the same time, you're not. Yeah, my logic is not correct. I need to probably go to school again, kids. But I have gone to school. I'm just not retarded. No. And yeah, you could take a gun. You could pour it. Oh, great. Like, how did it? Ready? You know it. Heck? What the heck? The heck? Oh, I was like, what the heck? So you can like, sorry guys for silence. I just don't understand this. No, it's good. Good. Yeah! But seriously, guys, I do not get this at all. But where the heck is the board at? This makes no sense. Sorry, guys. Sorry for my attitude, but times like this, you have to unleash your true potential and take. And what the heck told you to get off? Get back on there. It's a myth. This toy broke. Am I wrong? Great! This whole toy's falling apart. Guys, this is probably a video long, and I'm probably gonna say some racism words, but alright. I'm gonna do 2 videos today, guys. I'm gonna hit 2 videos in one day. One at night and one up. Guys, this does not make sense at all. Yeah. God. You hate when those times when you're fighting and you're trying to get something right on a figure and it just never works. That's what's happening to me. And it sucks. Like, what the heck am I supposed to do? I don't get this at all. Guys, I don't get this. Somebody have to do a video. I am so dumb. Guys, remember these? This isn't for your bubble joint. I need a knife. It's actually a knife. Yeah, it's not a knife. I'm not dumb. Yeah. I had to spend $9 for this whatever at all leaves. 9 freaking dollars. You know how much I lost? You wanna know what I lost? All my money on this thing. This beautiful thing. This beautiful piece of toy. No, actually not good. Don't laugh at me! I already saw a piece of my already. Boom. Boom. The guys, do not lose this guy. If you lose him, you're dead. Ow! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. been going through the park and I now got some girl. Ooh. I be going through the park and I got some girls. Ooh. You tell me what you doing, I will set you up. Yes! For Jesus loving God. I finally got it on. To help, I have instruction. Matter of fact, see this? You didn't even help. I figured it out by myself. Who needs them anyway? It's not like they're not like who needs them. That's the end of the video, guys. Oh great. I gotta do a thing. Just about to end the video right there. You know me. You know me. If you're here, if you're first here, it's your first time here, you should watch my videos. My videos are good. I'm got less subscribers. And if you're bored of me, there's a new channel called screw it. I messed it up. There's a new channel called Awesome Self Love. Shout out to Prince Charming. Shout out to all the others. And yeah. And yeah. Hold on. I will do 2 videos today. Warning you, I will do 2 videos today. Not big enough, cause, well, darn it! That's it, guys. And